Then we're going to do expanding. Expanding means that we'll have a problem that has a bracket in it like this. Okay, what we have in between the 3 and the bracket, as in algebra, there's nothing in between, so we assume that there's a times in there. So that means, in English, it would mean 3 lots of A plus B. That means we're adding A plus B 3 times. A plus B plus A plus B, the bracket on it, plus A plus B. If we took away the brackets, it would look like this. When we add like terms, if you add all the A's together first, you get 3A. And if you added all the B's together, there's a B there, plus B, that would be plus 3B. Now, a quick way of looking at this problem is if you've got 3A plus B in brackets, then it actually means 3 times everything in the bracket. What we could do is we go 3 times A and then we go 3 times B. 3 times A we would write like this, and then it's plus because it's a plus in between. We're going to go 3 times B. So we could go straight to the answer, which is 3A plus 3B, without doing all this working on top here, and go straight from the step. This is probably the fastest way to go. So if we have an example over to the right here, and you had 5A plus B, then the fastest way to do this is go 5 times A, which is 5A, and then we're looking here, that's a plus, so there's a plus in there, and then it's 5 times B. 5 times B is 5B. And that's the fastest way to get to the answer. Let's do another one. If we have 4 and we have A minus 2, for example, it's slightly different. So 4 times A is 4A, and that's a minus in there, so we put a minus in here. And then 4 times 2 is 8. So that gives us 4A minus 8. Another problem, if we had 5 in brackets here, and we had B plus 6, that's 5 times by everything in that bracket. In the bracket there are 2 parts, that's 5 times B, which is 5B, and 5 times 6, which is 30. Don't forget there's a plus there, so we need to put a plus in between. There should always be 2 terms in here if there's 2 terms in here. Let's try a different one. Let's have 3 terms. So if we have 10 and we have A minus B plus 2, remember there's a times in here. So we're going to go 10 times A, which is 10A. That there is a minus, so we put a minus in there. 10 times B is 10B. And that's plus in there, so there's a plus here. And there's 10 times 2. 10 times 2 is 20. So that gives us 10A minus 10B plus 20. Notice here there's 1, 2, 3 terms. 1, 2, 3 terms in here. So 10A, 10B, and actually 10 times 2 is 20.